Use keyboard shortcut Ctrl+S to save your project. It's best to do this right when you start. Use design shortcuts to create a new component. You will organize your digital assets with components. Give your component a proper name and make sure that it is activated. Turn on your layout grid. It's convenient when you sketch in Fusion 360. Your view automatically adjusts when you select a construction plane. I'll demonstrate the center rectangle in this Fusion 360 tutorial. It's easy to use the tab key when you want to lock your dimension and jump between input boxes. Press keyboard shortcut E to go straight from sketch to extrude. I'll give this a height of 30 mm, the same height as the ice cube tray in my freezer. Select Edit Sketch in the Fusion 360 timeline. Create a new center rectangle at the short side of your Icetray. Use keyboard shortcut L to activate lines and keyboard shortcut X to turn your line into a construction line. Use the construction line as your reference line when you mirror selected parts of your center rectangle. Activate trim lines and trim away unwanted parts of your design. Activate fillet lines and smoothen the edge of your design. If you paid attention, you saw that there are two versions for several commandos. For example, you have one option for fillet lines and another option for fillet bodies. You can change radius in the box if you want to change your design. Finish your sketch and take a look at your updated design. Create a new Fusion 360 sketch on top of your Icetray. Create a box with a 2-point rectangle. Activate the line commando and draw a horizontal line. Turn your line into a construction line. Use your construction line as mirror line when you mirror your 2-point rectangle. Select your boxes and use keyboard shortcut E to perform an extrude cut operation. Use the bottom of your Icetray as a reference and subtract a number of your choice so you don't cut through your body all the way. Adjust the taper angle a little for a delicate finish. Use the home button and enjoy your work. Use measure to identify the distances to your edges. I have 10 mm on one side and 250 mm on the other side. Create a rectangular pattern. Set your object type to features. Select your long side as your axis. Add your calculated distance and increase the quantity of boxes. And then press OK. Looks good so far, don't you think? Don't be a fool. It's time to introduce the chamfer tool. Use the timeline to select all boxes. This is so much faster than clicking on every edge. You can thank me later. Iterate with different distances until you get there and press OK when you find an impressive look. This Icetray looks like hell. Let's use shed. I will go with 2 mm, but if you select another number, I really can't do anything about it. This is starting to look like something, and I can smell that we are getting closer to project completion. You tried Fillet on your sketch earlier, but you can also fillet with direct modeling right on your body in Fusion 360. Give the Icetray smoother feeling and softer look. Navigate with the cube and activate keyboard shortcut E to extrude the bottom. Use your top as reference and make sure that you perform a cut operation. Give yourself a pat on the back because you are almost there. Looks do matter sometimes. Turn off your layout grid and use keyboard shortcut A to activate appearances. Search for a good, cold-looking appearance in your Fusion 360 library and drag it onto your body. Edit your color. Your roughness. And your reflectance to find your fantastic look. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Your time is precious, so I really tried to make this free Fusion 360 tutorial to the point. You find more information about learning resources in the video description. Look through the playlist, subscribe to the channel, and see you in another video. Bye.